Oh, have you ever looked at a tree in the dead of winter? It stands there, bare and silent, looking almost lifeless against a grey sky. You might walk past it every day and think nothing is happening. It seems dormant, asleep, completely still. But what if I told you that this stillness is one of the most powerful illusions in nature? We could zoom in, past the bark, deep into the very cells of that tree. We'd see a world buzzing with activity. It's a silent, invisible factory. Cells are diligently repairing the microscopic damage from the year's wind and weather. They're not just resting, they're reorganizing. The tree is strategically moving nutrients and water, storing up energy in its roots, canning everything in place for what's to come. It's like an athlete in the off-season, not just sitting on the couch, but actively recovering, stretching, and planning for the next championship. This isn't a period of inactivity. It's a period of intense, focused preparation. Then, one day, you feel a slight shift in the air. The chill isn't as sharp. The sun lingers a little longer. And you notice it's a tiny, green bud on a branch of that same silent tree. Then another and another. Soon, the entire tree is covered in these small promises of life. Within weeks, it explodes into a vibrant canopy of green leaves and beautiful blossoms. The birds return to build their nests. The air fills with a sweet fragrance. And the tree is once again a symbol of life and vitality. Where did all this energy come from? It didn't just appear out of nowhere. It came from the winter. It came from those quiet, unseen moments of work. The spectacular burst of spring is the direct result of the silent preparation that happened when everything looked like it was at a standstill. The tree wasn't weak or unproductive in winter. It was gathering its strength. It was investing in its future. This is such a powerful lesson for our own lives. We live in a world that glorifies being busy. We're told to hustle, to grind, to always be on the move. If you're not visibly producing something, you can feel like you're falling behind. We often see rest, quiet time, or moments of reflection as weakness or laziness. We feel guilty for taking a break, for stepping back, for just being still. But just like the tree, our periods of rest are not empty. They are our winter. It's in these moments that our minds and bodies do their most important work. When you're resting, your brain is processing information, making new connections, and solving problems you've been wrestling with. Your body is repairing itself. Your spirit is recharging. It's the time when you're restoring up the creative energy you'll need for your next big project. It's when you're building the emotional resilience to handle the next challenge. So, the next time you feel the need to pause, don't fight it. Embrace it. Know that your quiet moments are not wasted time. They are your preparation. They are your secret weapon. Rest is not the opposite of work. It's an essential part of the work. It's the invisible effort that makes the visible results possible. When you allow yourself to be still, you are simply getting ready for your own springtime. That moment when you will burst forth with new energy, new ideas, and new life. You're not being dormant. You're getting ready to bloom. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, I'd love it if you liked this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.